This is the Riverside Depot. Let's go walk around and check it out. Of course, it feels nice in here. You always got to get out of that hot air into some nice air condition. Look how cool these are. Not for food use, may poison food. $17.99. That is cute though. Oh, look at these cups. $22.99. Animal Kingdom. That's nice. And I know one thing, they definitely have a lot of cool mugs here. Disney does. Oh, kitchen towel, $19.99. Look at this. If you like mugs, Disney is a place to come to, because they normally got a lot of them. Ooh, look at this. This is a Monster Inc. one. I always liked Monster Inc. It's my favorite cartoon movie. We scare because we care. $19.99. That is nice. This progress. Yeah, that might be one I might think about getting. Any Monster Inc. stuff I always liked. Mugs are $14.99 unless noted. Well, that one's definitely not $14.99. Well, this is almost like a put a top on it for you. $22.99. That's cool. Definitely different shaped. This is a nice one. Disney Animal Kingdom, $14.99. This is real or fake? Fake. $25. He used one of these earlier. $34.99. Just remember when you're in these stores, don't forget to look up, because there's a lot of cool decorations up there. You definitely see a lot of 50th anniversary stuff, since that happened last year, and it's supposed to go on for like a year and a half. I'm not sure how much that is, but some Mickey hand soap dispenser. Okay, it's $19.99. I'm not going to do a full detailed showing every product, because there's a lot here. Stuffy animal for Raya, the Last Dragon. It's cute. $22.99. I'm sure it's supposed to be like this is like one of those hedgehogs or something. I've never seen that movie, so I'm not sure. There's some from Stitch. More cool decorations. Oh, look at this. This is a nice Star Wars mug. This is $19.99. That is awesome. Oh, look. Ooh. That would be so cool on my shelf. I don't know, $20. Oh, that is definitely pricey. I'm gonna have to think about that though. That is awesome. I like the handle and everything. I gotta think about that. There's some puzzles and I think board games over there, or toys. Always look up at the cool decorations. Here's another cool Star Wars mug. Not as cool as the other one, but still pretty cool. Poo 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 poo. Pew pew, I think it's where more at it. $14.99.
It's the future. You know what this is? These are from here. What that means? This is the green to right.
Of course, you always see lots of different kinds of pins. Various prices. Of course, candy too. Some nice cold drinks. Now over there, that's a different store. This store actually starts in this little section here. If they make them out like the old VCR tapes, where they're like a little logbook. Like a journal. That's nice looking. I don't know how much this is. No, I'm not sure. Well, I bet you it's not cheap. This one's $35, so that's probably at least the same or more. Some Beauty and the Beast stuff and some other things. Some nice snacks of different variety of prices. Here's some of Disney's own brand of their Wonderland tea. I've tried some of these. It's actually quite nice. Fake pineapple. Yeah, looks pretty real too. Even feels sort of real. Okay, this is a quick walk through the store. Any comments, questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody, bye. Came back to look at this mug again. See that? Princess Leia and all that? Well, this, let me show you this one. This peels off. Just notice that, right? You don't see it underneath. You still see R2-D2, right? I think if you read that there, this art appears, which I'm assuming is her, when you have hot liquid in there. So you put like a coffee, she will magically appear. That is cool. Makes it even more neater. I just wanted to show that.